Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that might leave you feeling a little crispy: fried chicken. We all know it's delicious, but have you ever wondered about its impact on your health? Let's uncover the surprising health effects of everyone's favorite guilty pleasure. Before we begin, it's essential to remember that moderation is key. Enjoying fried chicken occasionally as part of a balanced diet can be perfectly fine. However, consuming it excessively may lead to various health concerns. Let's explore further. Number 1. High in calories. Fried chicken is often breaded and deep-fried, making it calorie-dense. Consuming an excessive amount of calories without balancing them through physical activity can lead to weight gain and associated health issues. Number 2. Trans fat content. Frying chicken using vegetable oils can produce trans fats, which are considered unhealthy fats. High intake of trans fats has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, elevated cholesterol levels, and inflammation. Number 3. Sodium overload. Fried chicken is typically seasoned with salt and other spices, contributing to its delicious taste. However, excessive sodium intake can lead to high blood pressure, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 4. Decreased nutritional value. The frying process can cause a loss of essential nutrients in chicken, such as vitamins B6 and B12. Moreover, the breading used often lacks dietary fiber, further diminishing the nutritional value of the meal. But fear not, health-conscious viewers. There are ways to enjoy chicken while making it healthier. Number 1. Baked or grilled chicken. Opting for baked or grilled chicken instead of deep-fried versions can significantly reduce the calorie and fat content. This cooking method allows you to enjoy the flavor of chicken without compromising your health. Number 2. Choose lean cuts. Using lean cuts of chicken, such as skinless breast meat, can help reduce the saturated fat content. Removing the skin before cooking also reduces the overall fat intake. Number 3. Homemade recipes. Preparing your own fried chicken at home allows you to control the ingredients and cooking methods. You can use healthier oils like olive or avocado oil and experiment with alternatives to breading, such as whole wheat flour or panko crumbs. Remember, fried chicken can be enjoyed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. By making conscious choices and exploring healthier cooking methods, you can still satisfy your cravings while taking care of your health.